I am headed out to go to Visalia. I'm picking up shocks, I don't know, a whole bunch of stuff for the Bug. And then Monday, I get new tires on the Bug. And as far as the repairs on the truck, I know I haven't updated y'all on this, but mechanically everything is sound. The only thing that has to be fixed in that respect is the airbag. Let's see. When my truck fell off the hydraulic cliff, this airbag on the back passenger side somehow became uninflated. So I think I have to have that replaced. I don't know. We're going to see about that probably on Tuesday. And it needs to be realigned. So I'm on my way to Visalia. I'll bring you back. Hello. Well, that was a quick trip in and out of that place, and I don't know if you can see back there or not, got a whole bunch of stuff. I'm on the highway, and when I get home, I'll bring you back and go through what I bought. Crazy traffic here. Okay, I'll bring you back. Okay, so I made it home. My battery's getting ready to die, but real quick, I got a new gas tank for the Bug because the other one keeps leaking. I got a new headliner, which is that white box here. It's black. I got shocks, a thing to plug in my trailer for the lights. Anyway, I don't know what else I got, but I got a lot. Anyway, I'm going to get this stuff unloaded into the Bug and probably get this video later. Thanks for watching. Bye.